Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. The greatest enemy of innovation in the workplace is not lack of ideas or resources. It is resistance to change. It is the comfort of familiarity, the safety of routines, and the silent belief that what worked yesterday will always work tomorrow. Innovation struggles in environments where questioning is discouraged and mistakes are punished instead of learned from. When employees fear being judged, ignored, or blamed, they stop proposing new ideas. Creativity does not survive in a culture where fear thrives. It thrives in a culture of trust. Another powerful enemy is complacency. Success, when left unchecked, can become a trap. Teams that have achieved results may begin to believe improvement is no longer necessary. But the world outside the office continues to evolve. Technology advances, expectations rise, and challenges grow more complex. Standing still is in reality moving backward. Bureaucracy always slows innovation when rules matter more than results and processes becomes more important than people. When approval takes longer than execution, good ideas lose momentum and relevance. True innovation requires courage. The courage to challenge norms, to listen to fresh voices, and to accept that failure is often part of progress. If organization want innovation to flourish, they must confront its real enemy, a mindset that values comfort over growth. Thank you for watching.